Hello everyone, welcome to Parenting with Dr. Kruti.
A palindrome is a word, sentence, verse, or a number that reads the same backward or forward. It is derived from the Greek word which means running back. So basically, it is a word, phrase, or a number that runs back on itself. In palindromes, usually spacing, punctuation, and capitalization are ignored. Now I will share with you some of the palindrome words: bib, kayak, defied, rotator, repaper, deed, peep, wow, noon, civic, race car, level, mom, bird rib, taco cat. Now I will share with you some palindrome phrases. Never even or odd. We panic in a pew. Won't lovers revolt now? Ma is a nun, as I am. Don't nod. Sir, I demand. I am a maid named Iris. Was it a car or a cat I saw? Numbers can be palindromes too. Numbers that read the same forward and back, such as 888 or 123454321, are called palindromic numbers. The longest palindrome in English is tat tara tat, which is the sound used to imitate the sound of a knock on the door. Malayalam, which is a language spoken in South India, is also a palindrome of significant length.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.